I like that. I like that. Yes. You's looking good. Hey family, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Life and My Friend. Your girl is back. And how y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing good too. I'm over here chilling, you know, not on social media at the current moment because there's a little too much stuff going on for your girl and I can't handle it. But I hope all is well. You feel me? Hope all is well. So today we are going to be doing our eyebrows. My eyebrows are very much thin, as you can see, and they are cleaned up or whatnot. And I just realized that this eyebrow has a bald spot. Interesting. So I don't know if that's always been there or it's just the fact that I noticed so late. I don't know. So we are going to be using Refectocil. 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 I got it on Amazon. Just this itself. I didn't get anything else. I just got this. What color is this? Nature Burn 3. So I'm guessing this is brown. That's crazy. I don't even know what color this is. So we're gonna test this out. Whatever. I've tried the Just for Men beard on my eyebrows, but they only last like 2 to 3 days. Like it don't, the lifespan isn't long. So let's try this out. I just want to try it out just to try it out. I mean, I don't mind for my eyebrows to look like this. There, this one is like barely here, you feel me? So I mean, I don't mind. So I didn't even open it yet. What's this? Is this to mix it? So I'm guessing this is brown. Okay, let's raid.
Oh, you're supposed to mix it with something.
Oh, I had seen that other ladies mixing it with what's that brown bottle called? What's the brown bottle called, y'all? You know, the one that don't burn. You know, there's alcohol that burns. What's the one that don't burn? What's it called? Brain fart.
Wow. Wow. Wow, bro. That's
What's that brown bottle called? I'll be back. Hydrogen peroxide? Like, that's what couldn't pop up in my head. Really? Anyways, so instead of using the things that they want you to mix it with, just simply use peroxide and about 10 to 15 drops. Oh, okay. Other side is not in English. Yeah. Alrighty. Here we go. Holy schmoly. Holy smoly. Oh no. This might be a little too late for my little light-skinned self. Time to take these babies off. I mean, they got dark, so that's a good thing, I guess. This is just water. Just some water. Dun dun dun. Not bad. I look like I got eyebrows. I mean, you know what I mean. They look full. Let's see the other one. Ah, the bald spot's still there. Okay. Boo. Okay. Hold on. Okay, bald spot's still there. Now, let's see how long it'll stay. Wow, that one looks really good. Holy smoly. Baby. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Refectocil works just great right now. Refectocil. Refectocil. I forgot to mention this, but baby girl, do a patch test. Don't play with me. If you know you got sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Just because I didn't do it, don't mean you gotta do what I do. Do your patch test first. Don't be like me. I'm reckless, okay? Alright? Alright. But, yeah. Let me stop being fake. So, they look good, okay? My opinion. They look good, okay? Alright? So, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. I'm about to take a shower, go to bed, take my little shot before I go to bed. And I'm just gonna stare in the mirror because my eyebrows look good. On that note, you know how we do. Depending on who. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. as much as I enjoyed doing this. Good night. Till next time.